What's up, YouTube? It's your girl ChericeShana. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you go ahead and leave me a comment. Of course, I want to talk to you guys down below. All my social medias are going to be in the description. I'm not even going to bore you with all of that stuff, but make sure subscribe to the channel. Like this video. So I'm back with another video, and this video is a hair video, pretty much an unboxing first look. And the hair is from a company called Ali Natural Hair. I purchased this hair on Amazon. I got a 12-inch closure, 12-inch, 14 and 16-inch in ombre body wave. I was lazy, honestly. I did not feel like getting some hair and coloring it. I wanted hair that was already pre-colored, and that's what I got. So it came in this package like this, and I'm gonna show you guys the hair. So you're no longer gonna see me on camera, you're gonna see the hair. Okay, you guys, so upon taking out the things out of the package, I received this little thank you for your purchase card from them. Gives you this, and they're asking for your feedback. Of course, they want 5 stars, but yeah, I'm not giving nobody no stars until I actually wear the hair and review it first, okay? You don't get no freebies, no free 5 stars from me. You gotta earn your stars, honey, okay? All right, so this is the package, you guys, and it is very neatly packaged. Has the name, serial number, all that good stuff. Originally, I had told you guys I got 12, 14, 16, but I actually got a 16-inch closure, 18, 20, and 22. So my bad. And the color is 1B/30, which is like an ombre, which is what I was going for. I wanted to try out some new hair. You guys know I love trying out hair. Plus, I was a little lazy and wanted to do a quick install with hair that I just did not want to have to color myself. So, of course, I am going to wash this hair before I put it in, so I'll let you guys know what it's hitting for. But let's go ahead and pull this stuff out of the box. Well, out of the bag, I should say. So what actually fell, you guys, was these pair of lashes that they give. And these are really thin lashes. I'm not sure if they're gonna look good on me, but you know, hey, there's nothing wrong with getting some free lashes, right? I'll try them out. All right, so this is the closure, and it is 16 inches. The color looks really, really pretty, you guys. It looks really, really pretty in the box. Yeah, this is looking right. It's looking like it needs to be on my head. And as far as the bundles are concerned, I have 3 bundles. So I have a bundle. So I have a bundle in 18-inch. I have a bundle in 20, and I have a bundle in 22. So 3 bundles and a closure. Your typical. Let me go ahead and take these out. So this is the 16-inch bundle out of the package. It smells exactly how I expected it to smell, you guys. It does have a little scent to it, but I can't really put my finger on what it smells like. It doesn't smell horrid. It doesn't smell horrid, but it does have like a hair smell to it. Obviously, once you color hair, it's no longer virgin. Okay, just in case y'all didn't know that. But I'm pretty sure you guys did. If you didn't, now you know. If you didn't know, now you know. So this is the hair. The color is really, really pretty. The ends are not burnt or looking scraggly or whatever. Please disregard my regular, low cut, crazy looking nails. They will get done, and you'll see that in another video, but not this one. But anyways, you guys, this is how the hair looks. It looks really, really nice. It looks really, really nice. Running my hands through it, I'm not seeing any like tangles or anything like that. I'm able to just go straight through the hair, and yeah, it's pretty good. So there's really no point in opening the other 2 bundles on camera. I feel like once you open one, you show one, pretty much they all look the same. I'm not going to take it out of the weft because I am going to wash. I'm not going to take it out of the wrap, I should say, because I do like to wash the hair when it's in this state first, and then afterwards I unravel it before I do the install. So I won't be taking it out of its wrap that it's currently in, but I will show you guys the closure. All right, so this is the closure, you guys, and I absolutely love the closure. It is so pretty. The coloring is gorgeous. The hair color is just wow. It looks so nice. I can run my fingers through it, no issue. I'll show you what it looks over here. The knots are not bleached, as you guys can see. Yeah, they're not bleached. So I will go ahead and, well, actually, no, I'm not going to bleach the knots. I'm going to do my little method. And I do a really bomb method. If you guys have seen one of my Get This Wig Together videos, if not, I will link a card for you guys to see the video. You can just click on the card at the top of the screen right now. Click on, well, no, watch the video. Well, click on the card. It's cool. Click on the card. Watch that video so you can see if you want to see how I get a realistic part without bleaching any knots at all. So yeah, I'm not going to bleach the knots on this. I'm not going to make a unit. I'm just going to do a sew in with this hair because I want it to be really quick. And I just want to see how I like the hair. If I really, really like the hair, I will take it off and install it on a unit, on a cap, and make it into a wig if I love the hair. But guys, as you can see, the color on this hair is so pretty. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to have this hair for real, for real. I cannot wait to put this hair in my head. Okay, that's enough rambling, okay, you guys? So, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. What are you waiting for? I also have another video right here that I think you should check out. It's right here. Check it out, okay? Leave a comment, subscribe, and until next time, bye.